How to join and get rewards on Xfinity. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can join and get rewards on Xfinity. For this, open up any web browser and head over to xfinity.com/rewards. Now, the Xfinity rewards is the way of saying thanks for being a customer of Xfinity. There is no cost to join, no points to track, and signing up is only a few clicks away. If you are already a rewards member, click on the sign in option. Then enter your email address, phone number, or username. Click on the let's go option, and then you can start getting the rewards. If you are new, you want to click on the get started option. Now, if you do not have an Xfinity account, you can simply create one. If you already have created it, you can simply sign into your account and then join the Xfinity rewards. Once you have joined for free, you can see the new rewards like movie nights and giveaways. Then you can simply explore your rewards and enjoy as many as you would like. Simply click on the Get Reward option. You can also find the different featured rewards such as movie nights, discounts and deals, and much more. The longer you are an Xfinity customer, the more rewards you get. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.